So here I am with my MSI GS65 Stealth. I need to replace the battery and the fan. I don't think it can take anymore. It's like, so I have the battery right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the battery. And the fan. This is the one I just changed. I'm pretty sure. This is the one that is giving me trouble. And I noticed that there was some Japanese, Chinese ones, but you want the one from Taiwan with this little sticker on it, and preferably says something like that. Okay, let's get started. So we'll turn it upside down. Get open. There's a toolkit. Alright. There. This is nice because this part's magnetized. These two. Alright. Even got a little light here. It's nice that it's magnetic. So yeah, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws. No, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now let's pop out these. Oh, see another one. 15. It should just snap out. Yep, there you go. Da-da-da. This down. Put that to the side there. And now we have a couple more screws here. Here. These are holding the battery in. Put them over there. And another one here. And unplug the battery. There. And let's see if that will come out. Oh, we got one more screw over here. Nope. Well, I don't want to strip that. Let's see. Yep, sometimes you just gotta do it manually. Okay, so that should pop out of here. Oh, we got a cord connected on that. So there's the old battery. And you can see it's kind of bubbling here. Completely dead. Doesn't hold a charge. Can't use the laptop. Can't use the laptop if it's not plugged in, so that's really unfortunate. All right, now we're gonna get to this fan. I'm pretty sure it's this fan because when it's flipped over, it's this side. So it has to be this one because I just changed this one and I'm still getting it. I should actually buy some tape to replace this. But anyways, this one's easy to get to. This one's kind of a pain in the butt. All right, so we got more screws here to unload. Let's see. There's one right here. I don't like how that's so close. Let's go back in. Where else is there? Right here. That one up with those guys. We can take this out. So just pop this up. I thought so. Pop these guys up. And then they'll pull right out. And right here, take out this screw. Put that over there. And we actually have to take out this guy right here. So be gentle. There's our Wi-Fi card. Yep, there. And then how do I get this? Oh yeah, it's the black piece. Remember that. And then that should just pull out. Oop, there you go. There's a switch on this side. Pop that up. Boop. Pop that out. And I think I gotta take this out here. So I'll just pop that out. Now that I can get under this screw, that out there. And now I think I can pull the motherboard out. But we'll just be very gentle in case something's still locked in. I feel like I'm missing one. Okay, oh, remember to pull this guy out there. And I feel like, oh, we got this guy right here. We'll pop that black piece up, pop that out. Oh, do we got it? I feel like there's something hooking on here. Oh yeah, and then this has to go through here in order to get it out. There you go. There's your motherboard. Look at all that dust. dust it off here. Get it cleaned up. I'm actually eventually going to buy another SSD, put that in there, and then replace these two with 232 gigs. Tell me if that's unreasonable. Maybe just 216 gigs. So I think that's what I have right now. No, these are 8 gigs. So yeah, upgrade to 216 gigs. But I was thinking 232, but then it's like, that seems like way too much memory. And yeah, so I was probably just gonna upgrade those two, get a 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte SSD. I think 1 terabyte, just because the 2 terabytes, the price goes up quite a bit. And then yeah, replace these with 216 and get a Wi-Fi 6 card. And that's what that's like all I think you can really upgrade it to. Like that's, besides I gotta get a new computer then, right? So I will kind of blow out the dust here. Try to just give it a little wipe. Got a little piece of plastic that broke off from over here. Okay, just gonna give this side a quick little dust too. All right, so flip it over. You can even just set it down here. Now we're gonna take out these screws right there. So we can unplug this guy, boom. Take out these little screws, boom. And one more back here. And now, I think, pop out. See, look at this, I'm pretty sure even. Yeah, see the difference here? This one has like 58, and this one's 586. And the thing, the little QR code, the same. But yeah, look at the logo on that versus this. And this is DC 5 volt 1 amp, and this is DC 5 volt 0.5 amps. So I'm pretty sure that will make a difference. Is that, am I missing another screw or something? Oh yeah, it's because, okay, you gotta kind of like twist it and pull it. There you go. So you kind of push right here and then twist and pull, obviously not too hard. And then that should pop out of there. Okay, and thank the good Lord we don't have to change this side, because this side's like twice as hard to get to. Okay, so gonna put my new one there, and this, and we'll put that guy through here, and then this should just slide in. Now how do I get this in though? That's the question. Oh, there you go. Boom. Put over, put this over here. Oh, but that doesn't fit though. Okay, well, that has to work though. Well, snap. Okay, well, it's so crazy. Well, let's see if this even works. Okay, we'll plug that in there. I wonder if, no. There we go. Is that plugged in there? Let's see if we can get at least a couple of these screws back in. Okay, well, that fits. And then this should fit. Frustrating why it's over like that. Okay, and this one here. And this one. It says it's the right fan. It's weird why these holes don't match up. I don't think it really matters, even though I can't get this guy right here, which I hope that doesn't matter, or else I'm gonna have to like break that off. Oh no, that should be, no. I don't know, we'll find out. We'll find out very shortly if this works or not. Okay, so, I mean, as long as it's in there secure, it should be fine. I kind of want to break these off almost, but then it's like, what if I needed them for something one day? Give it one little blow there. Okay, now we flip it back over. And man, I might have to break that piece off, yo. Okay. It's annoying, but look at that. Easy peasy. Okay, gotta remember to put this guy back through here, and then pop everything back in, and then just put all these guys back. Just go there, this can go in there, this can go right here. Wi-Fi card. And then, oh, this one's the be-all. This guy has to go in underneath there. And you gotta sure this is up. I almost might have to put that piece in first. Oh, okay. Shoot. I'm gonna unplug these. That guy again. Damn it, man. That's hard. Okay. I gotta go from this side. Thought that was in. Oh, nothing wants to work, eh? Oh, got one side in. I thought I did. What's up? Just got me. Come on. I gotta get the left side in first, and I can snap the right side in. Oh, got the one side in. I could almost just get far enough back there. All right. Oh, I wonder if I almost had like tweezers. Okay, I think if I have it at that angle, there's the one side, and there's the other. There we go. There we go. So you kind of have to have this side a little bit lifted so you can get under there and pull it in. And yep, that's in there. Okay. There you go. So yeah, then you got to try to get this side in first with the aux cord and stuff. The aux plug in. And now we can start plugging the rest back in. So that goes in there. Put that down. This can go right here. Memory card back in. Or sorry, Wi-Fi card back in. And then we can add all these fun guys. Add in there. Make sure the black thing's lifted. And then pop it in. And close that. And we got one more guy over here. Okay. Plug that in there. Snap that down. And we got one more guy over here. Don't forget. Plop that in there. Pop that down. Okay. Our little hack there, hey? Okay, so now that that's all in, we can put the screws back in the motherboard. So we have, oh, remember we gotta put this first. Pop that out, put that back in, boom. And I think another one over here. Oh, where's my magnet thingy? There you go. Okay, got another one here. Or no, that might be actually here. Yep, can't remember. Is that one here too? Yeah, another one. So that one's supposed to be, but I don't think there's a hole there. It's all messed up. Okay, well that's gonna sit there loose then, but is there any more? Oh, right here. No, that's that one, okay. Well, let's put the new battery in. Been waiting a long time for this thing. We'll make sure we put this cord through here. This, push that in there, drop that in there, and then cord can kind of push that into this cord under here, and these screws back in. That one's totally, and this little piece will go under there, even though it's broken. And last but not least, nice, got that piece under there, just because there's a gap right there. Okay, so that's tight. Oh, that's gonna be like, I think I wrecked that. Okay, well hopefully I don't have to change this, and hopefully this flipping thing works. Okay, so that, let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 15. That's what we had before. We can't fit that one there. And now we're still missing one. Right here. Oh, wait. No, that's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, I bet you this guy right here. Or wait, no, I already checked that. That's this one. Okay. I need some tape. Need some proper tape. Okay. Where'd it go? Where'd it go again? Right here. Did I do this guy already? Oh, that's it. Under the Wi-Fi card, guys. Pop this up. Boom. Too tight. Good. Make sure that's all tight. All right. Now let's put this back on. And let's tighten them up. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Can't use those screws because it's either the wrong piece or I don't know. It fits. It's the right plug. It said it was the right one. I don't understand why. I don't understand why it didn't fit. Make sure they're hand tight, but not any tighter. And one more here, another here. Need to charge this battery. And we got 2 more. And last but not least, make sure that one's nice and tight. Okay. All right. So let's flip around and moment of truth here. We'll see if it starts up without having to plug it in. Look at that. Can you see the dust that fell through? And it looks like exactly in the keyboard shape. Get that off. All right, moment of truth. Please don't disappoint me. We have power. I don't know if you can see from up there. The battery might not even be charged though. But the good thing is it's showing power. Whereas before, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't even turn on. Oh, look at that. That's beauty. That's what we want to see. And I'm just gonna listen. The fan is sounding quiet. Oh, I should have got a video of the fan before. It was like, ugh, as soon as I had too much memory or I was using too much memory, it would just be. So let this load. Oh, beautiful. Password. That's what I thought. Look at that. Battery percentage is 30%. Oh, that's awesome. I haven't been able to take my computer with me for like ever without having my power cord with me. So that's awesome. And I have had the fan setting to basic and on very low, which I'll show you here. So I'm gonna put it back to advanced and hopefully it doesn't give me any trouble. One thing I do love about this laptop is the complete, see that, complete turned up. But I'm gonna get this a little closer. If you can see in here, I have it on just the basic. I have it turned down to slow. So I'm gonna just put that back to fast. And then I'm gonna turn this to advanced. And let's give it a second here. It sounds nice, it sounds nice. Now I won't really know until I plug in my 4 monitors and have OBS running and DaVinci and try to edit videos and really put it under pressure while I know if it's working properly. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow, like, and subscribe. And next time I have something interesting to show you, I'll make sure to upload another video. Appreciate y'all. Peace.